Hey guys, we're in Bushwick and we're heading to the world famous Punk Alley.
Rebel Rouser is a record store located in the world-famous Punk Alley, a repurposed, shipping container-filled alley on Broadway between Locust and Belvedere Street. It hosts a punk rock flea market, which is open Thursday through Sunday every week. At Rebel Rouser, you can find reasonably priced LPs and 45s from a selection that includes mostly used rock, punk, oldies, garage, soul, and funk, as well as a few books, cassettes, and VHS. There's even a turntable listening station. We had a chance to speak with the founding partner, William Martin, who told us that the store was founded with the idea that it's possible to do a very small, rock and roll centric, very tasteful, small boutique that has hand-selected records instead of just the luck of the draw collection.
Got Karla a t-shirt from Rebel Rouser, and now we're going to check out Video Eye, which is filled with hundreds of VHS tapes, including horror and sci-fi and action films.
Yeah, prices in there range from $1 to like $10 for the more rare tapes. We really feel like a dinosaur sometimes because we still have our VCR hooked up to our TV and watch VHS regularly.
Yeah, we really do.
David Morse and Maddie D'Angelo are the owners of Book Row, Better Read Than Dead, a used bookstore which has been located inside Punk Alley for 5 years. The name is a political promise to uphold the centuries-old New York culture of used book selling. Better Read Than Dead's selection is focused on literature and poetry, specifically modern literature and science fiction. Everything they sell is New York-centric in a big way because most of their inventory comes from New Yorkers. Fever sells antiques, junk, and a whole bunch of things, and has a tattoo shop offering tattoos by Sully, either by walk-in or appointment.
Guys, this place is really packed. It reminds me of looking at Love Saves the Day on 2nd Avenue in the East Village back in the day.
Yeah, it's just wall to wall with stuff.
Those are mine.
Our last stop in Punk Alley is this flea market outside. I'm going to check out some items, and then we're going to head down Broadway to look at some thrift stores. To get to this area of Bushwick, take the J, Z, or M train and get off at the Myrtle Avenue stop at Broadway. Lion's Den in Bushwick is a thrift shop which sells used and vintage furniture, clothes, and other random items. As you can see, there's so many things in here, there's little room to walk. Jones Beach Bar and Cafe is a coffee shop and bar on Stuyvesant Avenue near Broadway. It's a really cool place to hang out and have a drink or a coffee, and it even has a back room with seating. Norbert's Pizza is right next door to Jones Beach and is Bushwick's go-to pizza shop for vegans. It also sells regular cheese pizza and grandma pies. It's run by the same collective who owns Jones Beach next door. We just got this cold brew from Jones Beach. I'm going to sit on the bench and enjoy it.
We had a really great day today in Bushwick, checking out everything along Broadway, all the thrift stores, Punk Alley.
Yeah, it was a totally fun day. Bushwick has a great vibe. We really hope you enjoyed our video. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll be posting more soon. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.